Hello children, welcome back to your English class again. So I hope you all have done well your exams. Now we will move to the next poem, next chapter, that is about the poem Nobody's Friend. Nobody's Friend. Here you see pre-reading activity. I want you all to open your book, children. And that is page number 123. You all open and keep. And this poem is written by Enid Blyton. Enid Mary Blyton was her full name. She was an English children's writer whose books have been among the world's best sellers since the 1930s, selling more than 600 million copies. Blyton's books are still enormously popular and have been translated into 90 languages. Okay. See here, page number 123. They have given, you see, for the duration of 1 minute, students, here if you all were present in the school, we could have done this activity. Because of your absence, this activity is not done. That is the introduction of the game here. Read this poem about how a friend should be. She had some sweets that she could not share. She had a book that she could not lend. She could not lend anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. If you are selfish, you don't share any activities. If you don't share any thoughts, if you don't share any feelings, how it will be, children? Isn't it? So she is nobody's friend. She is lone. She is alone always. Yes or no? Here in the picture they have given so beautifully, you see. If she had sweets that she could not share, she had a book she could not lend, she could not give to others, she could not let anyone play with her doll, she used to not make others to touch her things, then she is nobody's friend. She had some toffee, chocolate, and ate every bit of it. He had a bicycle he could not lend. He never let anyone play with his train, that is a toy train, and he is nobody's friend. But all I will share, all of my sweets with you, my ball and my books and games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. See here, children, if you don't give anything, if you eat alone, you feel lonely. If you share and eat, you feel happy. If you share and play, you feel happy. Playing alone, we all will enjoy? No, only while studies you should be alone. When you play, you all should gather your friends. When you eat with everybody. It will be very tasty. Even food also, you eat alone, it won't be tasty. You eat with everybody, it will be very tasty and you will eat more also. You know that? Yes, it's true. So here the poet wants to say that we should not be selfish. We should not be selfish. Always we should mingle with everyone and then we should play with them, we should enjoy with them, and we should share our thoughts and feelings also, what ideas you should exchange with your friends, and be a kind person always. Okay. I hope you all understood the poem, children. New words you see: share, give to others from our portion. Lend, give to use. Some time means, you see, now if you have two pencils, if your friend have not given the brought the pencil, you should give it and again take it back. Okay, that is helping to each other in some or the other way. Do you like to answer the questions orally, you see, children? Do you like to share your favorite food or toys with others? Why? Yes, because you enjoy. If you don't like. Who is your best friend? Can you describe him or her? That is left to you. In class, it may be in class, it may be in relatives, it may be your neighbor also. Your friends and you have returned from playground, all are hungry. There is only one apple. What do you do with that? You will share, you will cut into pieces, number of students, or you will eat alone. It is left to you. Discuss with your friends. What are the things we can share with others? How should we treat the person who does not share with others. Somebody will not share also. Once, twice, thrice, as many as time you share, children, one or the other time the friend person will feel like sharing with you, and he will be always with you only. Okay. Here you see, let us write down the answers to these questions in the notebook. There are dash children mentioned in the poem. There are 3 children. Wait, let us have a recapitulation here. Nobody's Friend is a poem which teaches a great lesson to children. It tells us about the concept of sharing. The poem will help kids to know, understand the happiness that comes with sharing. It does so by giving the example of kids who do not share. We come across children who do not prefer sharing their things with anyone. So many children will be there. They don't even like to touch their things also. Sharing is very far. Thus, they fall miserably at making the true friends and are nobody's friend. Thus, they fall miserably at making the true friend and are nobody's friends means that's what they will be alone, lonely. They will have that habit, and even when they grow up also they will be having the same habit. Such children cannot establish a long lasting friendship with anybody. They can't survive, they can't maintain the friendship here. So they end up alone without any friends. However, if we look at children who love to share their things, they are ones who can easily establish a friendship with anyone. They do not hesitate in sharing their things and help others in need. So the people tell us that such sharing children get a lot of friends in their lives. Thus, the moral is that one should always share their things and make others happy. Hard words you see, write it and learn it. Sharing, land, bicycle, could not, Enid Blyton, friend, nobody's. Write the hard words 5 times and write the poem 1 time. Describe your experience of how you helped your friend. And let us move to the exercise part now. And here you see, write down the answers to these questions in your notebook. There are 3 children. There are 3 children mentioned in the poem. The girl could not share sweets. They have given the option book, doll, or any of this. It may be any of these also children. Why is the boy in the poem nobody's friend? Because the boy is nobody's friend because he could not share his toffees or lend his bicycle and never let anyone play with his train. What does the child in the last stanza want to lend? Book, bicycle, cake, books, or sweets. Sweets you read, children. By mistakenly it is book here. The 4th answer is sweets. Page number 125. Even books also. Books also is there. It may be all of this also. You can write anything here. You see they have given. My ball and my books and the games I lend, I will give. Opposite words you see, children. Downside. Lend means borrow. Give means take. Borrow is nothing but taking something from somebody. Difficult, easy. True, false. Dark, light. Help, hinder, or helpless also you can write. Sweet, sour. Hard, soft. Here are the contractions form you see, children. These we called here. Look at these words in the poem. Could not, she is, I will, I am. Here are their full forms. Could not, could not. How we will write in a contraction form, in a short form. Here you see can't, what's. Got it? How we write in a short form with apostrophe comma. Here they have given in the book. That's your hell, he will. Comma should come there, apostrophe comma. And here you see they are the rhyming words here. rhyming words. Say these words aloud. Train, a top, a ten, a tank, a true. This, that, though, then, them. Think, thin, three, thigh, thick. Yes or no? Here you see given are the rhyming words. Given below, one is done for you. Ball, call, tall. Lend, send. Lend, send, mend, cake, bake, lake. Say, day, lay. And set, met, bet. And here is an your enjoying activity, that is find the way to the toy. Ashraf, Chandana and Puneet are in the park. Help them and find their way to their favorite place. Color Ashraf path red, Chandana's blue and Puneet's as green. I hope you all understood the poem, children. If you did not understand, in a WhatsApp only you just send a message to me which exercise you have not understood to write, so I will help you out there. Okay, complete this and learn also, children. Your exams will be very soon. Okay, understood? Bye. See you all in the next class.